This intense sport is dragon boat racing. Every year in Duanwu Festival or the Dragon Boat Festival, we do dragon boat racing, and we also do wrapping and eat zongzi, which is a snack wrapped in bamboo leaves. We also do the cleaning of the rooms and hang herbs on the entrance door. Every Duanwu Festival, we do these three things to memorize our historical legendary figure, Qu Yuan. If you want to learn more stories behind Dragon Boat Festival, go to my channel and check out the video, The Secrets Behind Dragon Boat Festival.